Practice reading sentences that start with I have. Children, read with me. I have a superhero cape that gives me superpowers. I have a magical wand that can make wishes come true. I have a robot friend who helps me with my homework. I have a magical book that transports me to far off lands. I have a favorite snack. It's peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I have a pet goldfish named Bubbles who swims in a little bowl. I have a special dance move that I do when my favorite song comes on. I have a backpack filled with pencils, erasers, and my lunchbox. I have a best friend who loves playing tag at recess. I have a bike with training wheels that I'm learning to ride. I have a favorite bedtime story that my mom reads to me every night. I have a piggy bank where I save my allowance for treats. I have a special rock that I found at the beach. It's smooth and sparkly. I have a collection of colorful crayons for drawing rainbows. I have a favorite stuffed animal named Mr. Fluffy, and we go on adventures together. Awesome, children!